Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's makeup look is this blue makeup look that you see right here. So this is the nude lip that I would pair this makeup look with. If you're not brave enough to do the blue lip, this is what I would go for. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. And don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So to start off today's makeup look, I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation and mixing that with my Hourglass foundation. I really like that combination together. It really helps the colors and gives me the perfect color that I need. And next I'm just concealing and highlighting, and I'm using my Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Cover Foundation to do that. It's really pigmented, so I love to use it to conceal and highlight. Just making sure to blend that all out. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and set everything, and to do that I'm using my Fenty Beauty powder, and this one is in the color Banana. Next, I'm going to add some color back to my face and just a little tiny bit of a contour, and I'm just using my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation to do that. Then I'm going to move on to contour, and I'm using this Tarteist contour palette. This is a collaboration with Makeup Shayla. I'm just going to contour my forehead and my cheeks. It's a really nice color as well. It's quite bronzy, so it gives me like a great contour bronzy look. Next, I'm going to do my brows. I'm using my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and with the magic of editing, they're all done. And now we're starting our eyes. So I'm using my Morphe 35B palette, taking that blue color that you see there. And I'm just going to use that to put in my crease, just as a guide of where I want to put my blue color onto. I'm just making sure just to lightly blend that in, just adding a light cover. And I wanted like a really sharp line, so I'm just going to use some tape so that once I put on the dark color, it will give me a beautiful sharp line when I just pull the tape off. I'm going into my Urban Decay Electric palette. And from the Urban Decay Electric palette, I'm just taking the color Chaos. So it's a really deep blue. It's a beautiful shade. I'm just taking that, it's called Chaos. I'm just taking that and just making sure to blend that on the outer corner and into my crease. And here I'm just going ahead and moving the tape, and you can see that it's giving me like a beautiful sharp line. And I'm just making sure to go back with my foundation brush that I use just to tidy up and just add in that concealer back that was taken off by the tape. And I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and then back into the Urban Decay palette, and I'm just taking the shade Gonzo. And with Gonzo, I'm just putting that on the inner third part of the eye. And then I'm just going back into Chaos and just adding a bit more Chaos to the outer corners of my eye. And now I'm going back into the Urban Decay palette, and I'm taking Fringe just to add on the middle part of the eye. And then I'm just going back into Chaos again and just blending that out. So this look takes it is a lot of effort, but it's really beautiful, and it just depends on how you want it to look as well. Like, you probably could take it a lot further than I did, or you could do it a lot easier as well. You could just do Chaos and Gonzo together. They would work really well. They're really pretty. Just going back into Gonzo and just trying to brighten that up a bit more. And then I went back into Chaos and just to run that underneath my eye. I'm taking a combination of both Chaos and Gonzo and just smoking out the underneath of the eye, giving like a really beautiful smoky effect. I'm just making sure to blend out that harsh line and just to make it look like it's all seamless, blending in together. And then I decided to go back into my Morphe 35B palette and just take the blue. There's like a glittery, shimmery blue that's in there. I just decided to take that blue and just to put it over top, just to make it like a bit more brighter. So you could just do that stick. You don't have to do the other stick that I did before that. And now for some mascara. This is the Stila Huge Lash mascara. And then I want to do like a ombre eyeliner, but I would definitely recommend that if you're going to do this, if you have a white liner or a really white concealer, that would work a lot better than what mine did. So I'm just using the concealer to create an eyeliner type line. Like I said, if you have a white liner or a bit more opaque concealer, like a bit more white, that probably would work a lot better. Or you could even just leave it like this without putting any color on top of it. It looks quite cool. And then I'm just going back into Chaos and I'm just putting that on the first half of the liner, the inner half. And I'm taking Gonzo and I'm just putting that on the outer half of the eye. So it still does give like a really nice look, a really nice effect, but if you definitely have a white liner, that would work a lot better. And then because I wasn't, like when I was looking at it in person, it looks a lot nicer on camera actually, but when I was looking at it in person, I couldn't really see the liner, so I decided to go in with a darker blue just on the start of the eye, and that's what I'm doing here from the Morphe 35B palette, and just putting that on the inner part of the eye. And now for some lashes. Those are the XO Beauty lashes, and now moving on to blush. And some highlight with the MAC Gold Deposit. And this is actually a highlighter from the Tarteist contour palette. Moving on to lips, I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Liquid Lipstick, and this one's in the color Villain. So I'm just using this as a base for the blue lips because I don't have a blue lip color. I just created one with this and an eyeshadow, which you will see in a moment. So here I am going into the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm just taking some of the Gonzo eyeshadow shade. And just putting that on until I get the desired effect that I wanted. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's makeup look is this blue makeup look that you see right here. I was really inspired by the blue blood makeup looks that have been going around, but I just wanted to show you as well what it would look like with a nude lip if you're not brave enough to do this bright blue lip. So I'm just going to use some of my Eve Lom cleanser just to remove the lip. And I'm taking the Zoeva Pure Velour Lips. This is in the color Clear Message. and the original Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. This is so moisturizing. So this is the nude lip that I would pair this makeup look with. If you're not brave enough to do the blue lip, this is what I would go for. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!